Welcome to the course Data Cleaning. In this course, we are going to discuss how raw data can be converted into structured dataset that has got good quality data that can be used for building reliable models. As we know that in these days, more and more people are interested in machine learning and data analysis, and the importance of data analysis in any kind of business cannot be underestimated. However, most of the beginners with data science deals with the publicly available datasets. These datasets are structured and have all kinds of anomalies being removed. However, in the real world, when data scientists are allowed to work on a particular problem, they have to get access to the raw data, and therefore roughly 80% of their time is being consumed in cleaning and structuring the data, while the machine learning component or picking a useful model and training it to make predictions is only 20% of it. So it highlights the importance of data cleaning for any data scientist who is willing to work on practical real-world problems. The course is for those who are beginners to data science and machine learning. They have some basic understanding of how to train a model and how to use that model for making predictions, but generally have dealt with good datasets that have such issues removed. You need to have understanding of Python as the implementation of codes is being carried out in the Python language. Data cleaning, as we said earlier, is very much important for any kind of analysis. The term garbage in and garbage out can be used for the data with lots of anomalies, which is not going to help even if it is used with a good quality model to make predictions. So therefore, it makes it extremely important to convert data into high quality data where missing values are being removed, noisy values and multivariate outliers are being processed and handled smoothly, and all kinds of other issues are being handled smoothly so that when the model looks into this data, it can identify clear patterns and learn from them. After completing this course, you should be able to handle missing values. You should be able to detect and handle noise values or the univariate outliers. You should be able to detect and filter multivariate outliers. In particular, we will be using the local outlier factor for the detection of multivariate outliers, and you should be able to normalize textual data by removing all sorts of inconsistencies and converting it into its basic and normal form. So register for the course, and it's going to be a good learning experience for you. Thank you.